to do some math. You need your whiteboard. We're going to do a 7-minute video like we used to do at school. And you have to write the number sentence with either the greater than, less than, or equal sign in between the two numbers. Remember, the big opening goes by the big number. Okay? Get ready. Here we go.
Using less than. Great.
Okay, how many fish are in the first fish bowl? 2. So write down a 2. How many fish are in the second fish bowl? 0. So 2 is something to 0. Put the sign in the middle that you need.
2 is greater than 0.
Did you write 2 is greater than 0? Instead of an alligator, they have a shark. Okay? How many are in the first fish bowl? Leave a space. How many are in the second fish bowl? And write the correct sign in between. 2 is something to
2 is less than 5.
Did you get it right? The shark's mouth should be open to the 5. Erase it. Okay, look at the first fish bowl. Write down the number. Leave a space for the sign. Count the fish in the next fish bowl. Write down the number. Put the sign in between.
Is greater than 4.
Did you write 5 is greater than 4? The big opening of the shark mouth should be pointed to the 5. Write the number of the first fish. Leave a space. Write the number for the second group of fish. Put the sign in the middle.
Is equal to 3.
Did you write 3 equals 3? I'm sure you did. Erase. All right. Write the number of fish in the first fish bowl. Leave a space. Write the number of fish in the second fish bowl. And write the sign in between.
Is less than 4.
Write the number of the first fish bowl. Write the number of the second fish bowl. And put the sign in between. Now we're going to check it.
4 is greater than 2.
The big opening should be toward the 4. 4 is greater than 2. Count the number in the first fish bowl. Leave a space. Count the number in the second fishbowl. Write the sign that goes in between.
Is equal to 4.
Woohoo! Did you get equal? Count the fish. Leave a space in between. Count the fish. Write the symbol.
Is less than 5.
See that big mouth? That shark would rather eat the bigger group of 5. 3 is less than 5. Uh-oh. How many in the first fishbowl? I think the shark ate all of them out of the second fishbowl. They're all gone. That poor little fish better watch out. Put the sign in.
Is greater than 0.
Oh no! That shark might eat that one fish, because it's the only one. 1 is greater than 0. Oh, he must have ate it. It's over. Put your cap on. Oh my goodness, I bet he ate that last fish. All right. Grab your packet. You can do it with me, or you can do it by yourself, whichever you decide. It's all about counting money today, and it's only pennies and nickels. Remember, a penny is 5, and I just said that wrong. Remember, a nickel is 5.
Video or picture on social media using hashtag PrimaryTechie in my class. If I share your picture, I'll send you a $10 TBC gift card.
Sorry, the Primary Techie lady's still talking to us. I gotta get rid of her. Bye, Primary Techie lady. She's still yakking at us. Okay, back to the work, not the commercial. A nickel is worth 5 cents and a penny is worth 1 cent. So look at the first one. We have 2 nickels. What's 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 more makes 11. 1 more makes 12. So we have 12 cents. Okay, I'm going to put a dot on all the nickels, so I know that I have to count by 5s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15. 1 more makes 16. 1 more makes 17. 1 more makes 18. Find all the nickels and put a dot on them. There are only 2. 5 plus 5 is... Hank, what's 5 plus 5? 10. Thank you, sir. So we have 10. 1 more is 11. 12, 13, 14. Because when we have pennies, we just count by 1s. Okay? Put a dot on the nickel, a dot on the nickel. And we're going to count by 5s. What's 5 plus 5, Waylon? 10. Thank you, sir. 10 and 1 more makes 11. Okay? Put a dot on the nickel and a dot on the nickel. 5 plus 5 is what, Harper? She said 10. Now we count by ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is 1, 5. Find all the nickels, put a dot on them. We know for our nickels we have to count by fives. So count by fives. 5, 10, 15. Now one more makes 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is 2, 0. All right, put a dot on the nickels. 3 nickels. Emily, what's 3 nickels? Emily said she's counting by fives. 5, 10, 15. One more makes 16. One more makes 17. All right, let's find the nickels. Ooh, we have 3 nickels again. All right, who's going to count by fives this time? Quentin, you're going to count by fives? Okay. 5, 10, 15. One more makes 16. One more makes 17. One more makes 18. One more makes 19. All right. Find the nickels. 2 nickels. 2 nickels is how much? 5 plus 5 is what, Jacob? Jacob says 10. 11, 12, 13. 13 cents. Okay, guys. Today is Raz Kids Day. Go and do some stories and read those stories to me. Bye-bye.